allow us to show this show for you and to stage it and to air it every night, because this is our obligation. Like you were obliged to come here and listen to this, us at this age, it is mine, personally. I think I share it with a lot of other people who work on the team. It is our obligation to tell the story. Because if our generation skips and are unable to tell the story of what happened during the Second World War, and I'm not talking about the stuff that you'll be reading in history books. I'm talking about the stories, the personal stories that will be told in the show. Because the show really is about a lot of different true stories. We probably changed the name, but the stories are very real. So that is also our obligation. It is our responsibility to tell it to you, because if we allow our generation to just let this pass, these stories will never be told.
Settle down. If there was any heavy emotional feeling po, or if you were able to connect with your character.
Yes. Patriotic kasi ako, and I love the Philippines. So for me to be able to play the role of Hiroshi in this kind of teleserye, such an honor for me. It's just more than a teleserye. We are teaching the viewers kung paano lumalaban yung mga Pilipino before. Life-changing siya for me because it inspired me to how I can get through my problems on a day-to-day basis. Kasi before, di ba, dahil problema, yung mga comfort women, hindi mo alam kung ano yung may encounter mo. Kasi syempre nga, di ba, Japanese, pwede kang gawing comfort women, pwede kang saktan, di ba? So, mas na-inspire ako to be more resilient, and yung mga problems na piniface ko, kasi parang para sa akin, kung sila dati kaya nila, paano pa yung mga problema ko ngayon? Kung may problema, relax lang, and gawa na lang solution para ma-overcome yung mga problems na. Thank you so much.
How do you internalize those emotions and sustain them long enough to make a supposed decent cut for the show?
Like what I mentioned earlier, I empathize with the characters. I think I also give credit to my co-actors. Of course, like working with Barbie, then Sanya, and many more. Such a pleasure, and I've learned so much from them. And actually, kapag ka-extend ako si Barbie, kapag umiiyak na siya, or like she's giving me like emotions, parang natural na lang siyang lumalabas. So,
how did it feel to work on a historical series that was back in the 1930s to 1940s?
Mahirap siya kasi hindi naman natin era yun. So, nung nalaman ko na I'm doing the part of Akio, nag-start akong mag-research. Ang available lang nun is mga stories about World War II sa Netflix, sa YouTube, diba?
Costume designing is very exciting and rewarding. However, what are some limitations and difficulties does having a historical setting entail in terms of costume and set design, such as making sure that the set design and costumes are true to history?
I think it's a time constraint. We have to come up with the costumes, even a very short period of time, and very short period for research. But somehow we are able to manage. The budget is okay naman. Filipinos are very creative. They can do so much with very little with what they have. It's fairly very recent naman yung war years, kaya marami pang buildings and of houses from that period that are still standing and in good condition na pwede namin pag-shootingan.